Hey guys, and welcome to Hello Rain. In today's video, I'll be talking about my day trip to Budapest. But before I do that, and if you haven't done so, head to my bio and click on the link to my shop where you will find my new skincare range, which is age defying and for all skin types. Your support will be greatly appreciated. So when I arrived in Budapest, it was pouring down with rain. I arrived on the Buda side of Budapest, so I needed to cross over the Liberty Bridge to go to the Pest side where there's more action. The Liberty Bridge goes across the river Danube. As I crossed over, the rain started getting stronger and stronger, so I took refuge in the Great Market Hall. The market hall was very interesting. You could buy everything and anything Hungarian produce, from sweets, honey, alcohol, lavender and lavender products, anything Hungarian. As I was walking around the market, I realized that the rain was not going to stop, so I decided to branch out in the city to look around as I only had one day. The Hungarians went about their day without a care about the weather. As I wandered around the Pest, I came across a huge Roman basilica called St. Stephen's Basilica. It's one of the most important churches in Hungary, built between 1851 and 1905. I continued walking around the Pest and came across the Kossuth Memorial, dedicated to the former Hungarian president Lajos Kossuth. And as I turned around, stood in front of me was the majestic and stunning Hungarian parliamentary building. Then around the corner is the Tiza Istvan Square, with the statue of the Count himself and other prominent figures. As my day came to a close, I went to the Ritz-Carlton nearby for a warm drink and a nice Hungarian cake before I headed back home. So there you have it, guys. I highly recommend Budapest for a city escape. It's economical and you can see a lot of things in one day. Until the next time, thanks very much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you then.